What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to my garage. Today it's finally time to replace the front bumper. It's the last thing that will be needing replacement from the accident. I got the SMLs, I got a new front bumper laying ready. I've got, well, the front crash beam there, and also got a brand new toy that I ordered. Well, got a pretty cheap one, but it will help me a lot. I've gotten this tripod for my camera. I think this will help me get some different angles, better angles, nicer angles, angles that actually show you something, and not me just trying to find boxes or whatever. Or, well, I've used the cooler also in the past to put my camera on. It's at a pretty low stand right now, but it can raise up, and well, this video will be the perfect test for that thing. So that's the old bumper off. I already threw the side. Now I'm going on with removing the front beam, replacing it. I hope the support beam itself isn't hit. It doesn't really look like that one is bent, so normally this should fit well. And when that's replaced, the new bumper also should fit well. I noticed when I took the damaged bumper off, it was really hard to get it back on, and I think that's due to this part being all bent up, so that's why I'm replacing it. So that went pretty okay. I noticed a tiny bit of a bend, but I cannot remember if that was already there from when I bought the car or not, because the car had a little accident when I bought it, but well, it's already almost 6 years ago, so I cannot really remember. Also, well, this one is bent, and it's bent a little bit too much. That's why I'm replacing it. It's bent upward. I don't think that's visible on camera, but it's bent upward, and that's why the bumper won't really fit. But with the new one, that should be sorted out.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
There's an L is missing, so that's what I'm gonna mount now. So if I can get the wiring through at least, I put it aside somewhere, like that. You'll need to disconnect this. Oh yeah, I need to grab a new bulb. Forgot about that. 3, 2, 1. There it is. New bulb. Now, let's get this in again. It's not easy doing this stuff one-handed. Like this. All brand new. I'm still missing that part. I lost it maybe 2 years ago, and I still haven't replaced it, so I might go out and look for a new one. So it's nice and pretty to sell the car. Still need to mount the front lip, and that's about the last thing I gotta do. Still not sure if I'm gonna mount the VR6 lip or the original one. And that's only because the VR6 one is really badly damaged. So I have decided I am going to be mounting the US lip, well, only because the VR6 lip is too badly damaged. It's got a few holes in it, right at the corner. It just cracked through, so that's why I decided to go back to the, well, US lip I have always had on my car. The bumper is prepared to be fitted with the VR6 lip, as you could see in the video of me preparing the bumper. I made it so a VR6 lip can easily be mounted. You need to screw it when you mount it, otherwise you won't be able to fix it nicely, or well, not that secure, so you're sure the lip stays on. That's why you need to screw it. I screwed it down. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the original one. The next owner can do with it what he wants. If it was me, I would have just mounted the bad one, or try to find a new one, a new VR6 one. But since I'm selling it, I probably, well, no, not probably, I am just going to mount the original US lip.
You're mine, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
And that will conclude the rebuild of my Widebody Golf 3. As you saw in all of my videos, it wasn't that much work, just a lot of waiting for the insurance at the beginning, and preparing all the stuff to be mounted, like the front fender and fixing up the bumper. Well, right now it's finished. I still need to mount my front plate. That's what I'm gonna be doing when the video is done, because I don't want to be screwing anything to the bumper right now, because I made it really nice and flat. So I'm gonna try to find a spot where I can tie wrap it to. In my next video I will start tackling the inside of the car, making that all original again. So it has a rear bench, rear seat belts once again. The audio will all be out, original door panels that I still have laying around. So all of this stuff will be gone. Right there, the A-pillars, the doors. Well, that was a pretty crap one I made, but well, I wanted to roll with it. The sub box will be removed, amplifiers, everything will be taken out, put back to stock, and well, then the car is pretty much ready to go. I am gonna put it for sale probably tonight. People can go see it, come and see it, and I still need to, well, be removing a lot of stuff. I will also tell them, if they want to come and check it out, that I will be turning it all to stock, just for them. I also will lower and put the car on the white wheels once again, for the buyer if he wants to, or otherwise he can take it like that. It's just how he wants it. But yeah, I wanted to split it up, the rebuild and the interior teardown, so well, not everything is mixed up, and well, the wide body rebuild doesn't start to include some interior stuff. So that's why I'm wrapping things up for today. So guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, leave in the comments down below what you think about this video and what you might want to see on this channel, and be sure to subscribe to see what project comes when the golf is gone. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.